Hi guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today we have a new job update for all the freshers and experienced graduate. The important part of this job update is that this job will be a permanent work from home job. It means you can start and you can continue your day-to-day work from your home location only. No need to visit any location. Also, this job is for the freshers graduate and any graduate can apply for this role. So, if you want to get all the details regarding the job, I am requesting you, please do not skip any part of this video. In this video, I will explain how you can apply for this job and how you can get the call from the HR team. So, please stay tuned with the video and check all the detailed parts so that you can prepare your resume, you can apply for this job and you can easily clear this work from home job. So now, without wasting any time, let's jump into the screen and let's discuss about the job. Hey guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today there is a new work from home based job update for all the freshers and experienced graduate. Let's discuss about the job and I'll also provide the job link in the description area so that you can also apply for this application. It will be a complete work from home based role and any graduate can apply for this role. Also, it will be a full-time employment with this company. The job role is IT support specialist. Company name is North Stella. The location they have mentioned which is Bangalore, but they have also mentioned it's a remote opportunity. Here they have mentioned the employment type which is full-time. Here they have provided some details about the company. You can read everything so that you can learn more about this company. Below they have mentioned what you have to do in this IT support role. Here they have provided all the roles and responsibilities. Please read everything and try to gather all the important keywords which are required to make your resume so that it will be shortlisted by the recruiter. Below they have mentioned all the requirements. First point is desktop support and installation. Windows Autopilot, Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, 365 platform, Exchange Team, OneDrive, Azure platform, Service Desk, implementation, management, experience with using a service desk system like ITSM tool like ServiceNow, MDM platform management, process improvement, maintain knowledge base both for internal use and external use. So these are all the skills which they are looking for. Please take all the skills from here and mention it in your resume so that the resume will be shortlisted by the recruiter. Below you can get some additional details about the company. You can read it. It will help you to clear the HR round through the interview process. Here they have provided the benefits. As it will be a full-time employment, you will get all the benefits like health insurance, provident fund, reimbursement of certification expenses, gratuity and 24/7 help desk. Below you can find the apply now button. You need to click on this button to get the application form. Please design your resume accordingly and apply for this application. Any graduate can apply for this role, so feel free to apply for this role if you have completed your graduation in the last year like 2024 or if you will complete your graduation in this year 2025. Up to 2 years experienced people can apply for this role. So if you are currently working in any company, you can still apply for this opportunity if you want to take a switch. So that's all about today's job update. Hope it will be helpful for you. And if you want to apply for this role, please check the description area. And if you want to get regular job update, please subscribe the channel and stay tuned with us. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care. Bye.